We're making characters that represent like careers to just kind of like inspire them, inspire the kids. It's gonna be hung up in the hallways. They'll have like little mirrors on the face. I don't have mine on yet. It's kind of just like you can see yourself in their shoes in a way, in the character's shoes.
I've never had the opportunity to do something like this. It will definitely be fun to have my art somewhere else that will have an impact on someone else.
I'm having a lot of fun. I'm excited to see what it looks like. It's gonna be there for a long time, so it's kind of exciting. I like knowing that like what I'm making is gonna inspire kids and like kind of just spark their imagination.
It's cool to see how happy they get, and I feel like this is something that will make them happy.
Today, we have something super special in store for you. In collaboration with the talented students right up here from Shadle Park High School, we are honored to offer you the gift of seeing yourselves in a new light through art, imagination, and self-expression.
They are so beautiful, and you can tell they were created with such heart and passion, and they are going to be cherished and loved by all of our kids for years to come. And I think that's the part I'm most excited about, is that all of our future Timberwolves are going to get to enjoy this forever.